Hey, I'm Miguel from Marine Parts Source. Today we're going through this C-Star side mount control and some of the common questions we get from it. We're going to show you how to install a control connection kit onto a 33 style cable. We're kind of simulating a Yamaha application today with this cable, and we'll show you all the connection points on the control as well. So first, we're going to connect our connection piece to the control itself. This diagram, you're going to see the Yamaha 95 horsepower and up are use the number 4 connection both here and here, and then later we'll show you the throttle connection at the 1 position and a 1 position. To start, we'll put the connecting components here. Then we go on to add the cable to the actual connecting kit. We'll start off with the clip and the 33C retaining notch. We will also use both these screws to retain this locking piece once we get it on there in just a moment. Sometimes you got to wiggle this boot just slightly out of the way, but then you'll get a positive retention in there. You just line those notches up on these little plastic pieces here. You get a little clip in. So at this point, we've got our cable locked in. We'll put our pivot on the end of our threaded 33C cable. Thread it on the end there. Make sure you get it all the way in, that the threads are fully on and fully connected. Once again, we'll go to the number 4 position, and then we'll put our clip in. Next, we've already got another cable already made up with the same connection we had beforehand, and we will connect the throttle cable. Same spot on the 33C cable. Get our boot lined up. Line up our throttle cable. And this pivot actually may have to be moved slightly in or out just to get it exactly where we need it. So there's that. And then at this point, you can move your shift. As you can see, your shift moves first to move it into place, and then slowly your throttle moves up. Everything seems to be working and moving freely, so we're good to go. So this particular control comes with a neutral safety switch, so when it actuates, you can't actually start the engine in gear. The wires here, you also get that as well as the trim switch. This particular control comes with a tilt switch as well to be mounted inside the panel. And then another regular question we get are these 2 safety switches, which one is normally open, the purple is normally open, the black is normally closed. So you will see both of those included for whatever application you need. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Look for us on social. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those at the bottom. Or if you'd like to reach us, feel free to call the number below. Our ABYC experts are here to help. Thanks for watching.